first match ever to be played on the HBSC World Rugby 7 Series on FMG Stadium in Hamilton.
Timu ya bururi ya athaki mugwanja muthako-ini wa gonya Shujaa majiririe na kuguru kwega muthunguko-ini wa kana wa hitaitano cia HBSC World Rugby Series mucii wa Hamilton bururi-ini wa New Zealand kiroko kia umuthi.
Mbitika saw some space for the second time though.
Gucanini yao ya mbere thaa mugwanja cia rucini na bururi wa Samoa, Kenya yayukia uhotani wa pointi 19-14 rita ria muthia timu ici ciari gutungana ari thiini wa ikereka ria Cape Town Sevens kuria Samoa mahotire na pointi 19-15.
Short pass away to Amonde and Kenya strike back through their captain Oscar Uma.
Gucanini ya keri magithaka na bururi wa Canada, Kenya yayukia uhotani wa pointi 19-14 rita ria muthia timu ici ciari gutungana ari thiini wa ikereka ria Dubai Sevens kuria Canada mayukirie uhotani.
About that, they had no right. Kenya, they have been under the pump in their own 22 for over 3 minutes. One touch of the ball and they're...
Hidio yo gucanini ya gatatu na bururi wa USA maiganani ya pointi 19-19.
Heading for the left-hand corner, Kenya.
Gukinyiria riu Kenya iri gacumbiri ga pool D na pointi 8 na muthi wa rucio Shujaa magatungana na bururi wa Australia ikereka-ini ria quarter finals. Giribotera Kameme TV Haro-ini, jitagwo mwihaki wa Dogo.
Samuel Oliak. Well, that's the best try of the game. Scored by Samuel Oliak from the...